Dominican Republic's defense now trying to make this tough here for the Philippines. Clarkson just being physically manhandled here. Makes a bit of contact, goes up and just plays a bit of bully basketball. Somebody call the principal. Inebra. Oh, Thompson turning it over. Clarkson coming back up with it. Kicks out, Thompson wide open, three is up, three is good. And this whole crowd just erupts into electricity. Let's try to get into a half-court set. Clarkson looking for an isolation now, going in the key. Hits up an acrobatic circus shove, and at the moment, Jordan Clarkson clearly the only offensive threat here for Gilas. Just trying to deal with the presence of the home crowd. Clarkson going behind the back. Puts on a little floater again. Jordan Clarkson just putting on a clinic right now here. What's interesting, we've seen from both teams a tendency to really push the ball up the court and go for a quick three-pointer.
Well, you know, that's really more Gilas style. And there you see Clarkson hang another one.
And now Dominican Republic. Again, good steal by Ravenna. Ravenna finding Jordan Clarkson. Clarkson goes up and throws it down. And now Gilas with a chance to retake the lead. Clarkson looking to isolate. Clarkson finds Fajardo again. It's too easy right now. Jordan Clarkson, hands down, clearly the best player on the court. Now the Philippines leading by one, looking to extend their lead. Led by this man, Jordan Clarkson. Clarkson looking to go all the way. No foul call, but too big, too strong. Clarkson looking to attack here. Almost turning it over. Finds Abando. Abando goes up and Magadangabi. Good night. Philippines trying to build something here in their offense. Way to go for Clarkson. Has to take a tough fadeaway, but somehow still gets it to drop. And again, coach, he's on fire right now. So far, the Dominican Republic putting Victor Lees here against Jordan Clarkson. Clarkson split the defense down, goes in with a layup, and again, this man will not be denied. Getting to the basket. As you mentioned, Philippines supporting players trying to play around Jordan Clarkson. But for them to be successful, he's got to have a big game here tonight. As again, Chuma Fajardo, the 1-2 punch from Jordan Clarkson.
Clarkson to do is play off the ball a little bit more. Kiefer Ravina was able to create a lot for them.
Well, Clarkson goes back door, finds Ramos. The three is up, and the three is good. Well, it could be Dwight time if he gets cooking from the three-point line. Dominican Republic trying to be aggressive here. Clarkson finds Aguilar. Aguilar goes in and somehow gets that one to drop. Well, the defense follows JC. And now Clarkson looking to push this one. 24 points so far in the game, and Jordan Clarkson bumps in the lane, and now he's got 26.